Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest science-backed remedies for common ailments. In today's video, we have an incredible secret to share with you, a tea ingredient that can help you combat the flu and boost your immune system naturally. Are you ready to say goodbye to those annoying flu symptoms? Are you tired of being down with the flu? Feeling weak, tired, and unable to enjoy your daily activities? Well, worry no more. We have a secret tea ingredient that can help you fight off the flu and boost your immune system. Backed by science, this natural flu remedy is a game changer. But what is this secret ingredient? It's elderberry. Elderberry is a dark purple fruit that grows on the sambucus tree. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including the flu. But what does science say about elderberry's flu-fighting properties? Multiple studies have shown that elderberry contains compounds that can inhibit the flu virus's ability to spread and replicate in our bodies. These compounds work by blocking key viral proteins, preventing the virus from entering healthy cells and causing infection. Additionally, elderberry stimulates our immune system, helping it fight off the flu more effectively. Not only that, but elderberry is also rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress caused by the flu. This can help relieve common flu symptoms such as sore throat, coughing, and body aches. So, how can you incorporate elderberry into your routine? The easiest way is by brewing elderberry tea. You can find elderberry tea bags or dried elderberries at your local health store or online. Simply steep the tea bag or dried berries in hot water for about 10 minutes, and your flu-fighting tea is ready. For an extra boost, you can add honey, lemon, or ginger to enhance the flavor and reap additional health benefits. However, please note that elderberry tea may interact with certain medications, so it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine. Remember, prevention is key. Apart from elderberry, make sure to maintain good hygiene practices, wash your hands regularly, and get vaccinated against the flu each year to minimize your chances of getting sick. And there you have it, the secret tea ingredient backed by science to combat the flu and boost your immune system. Incorporate elderberry tea into your routine and say goodbye to those pesky flu symptoms. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed remedies. Stay healthy, everyone.